What's going on, everybody? Today we're building up a Norco Spitfire from the 80s. This is a cool Pepto-Bismol pink. With that, we have the stock Norco bars. We're also doing the Dominator pink seat. We have the original sprocket and cranks. We have Amy pink grips, pink crown valve caps, 22.2 seat post, 2 tubes, an Odyssey brake lever, Bulldog brake, pink KMC chain, the stock 1-inch forks, a pink stolen brake cable, and some Kenda pink tires. We also have these cool wheels that are original with the super class Holt rims. So let's get to the build. Stay tuned. What's going on, everybody? We finished up this Norco Spitfire Turbo, so it's looking really good. We'll go through all the parts with you. We put on these Amy grips, an Odyssey brake lever, stolen linear brake cable. These are the stock Norco bars. We did the Diamondback 1-inch stem, a 1-inch headset. These are the Kenda pink tires. We have the Pro Class rims, red line pedals, white cam seat chain with the original sprocket, a new seat post clamp and seat post, Dominator plastic seats, Bulldog brake, Kenda tire. We did the pink crown valve caps, a new freewheel on the back, new bottom bracket. So let us know what you think of this beautiful build. Comment below if you rode a Norco in the 80s, and check out some of our other Canadian department store videos up above. And thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you guys soon.